Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll take a look at the Philips Go accent lamp, exploring its key features, quick start guide, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Philips Go accent lamp, a power adapter, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Functions: turn on and change light effect, browse through all colors, standby mode, battery saver mode, brightness, battery life, installation. To install the device, place it on a stable surface and connect the power cable to the charging port. Plug the adapter into a power outlet and allow the device to charge fully before first use. Once powered on, it is ready for setup and operation. How to pair? To pair the device, download the Philips Hue app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Turn on the device and enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. Open the app, select Add Light, and allow it to search for nearby devices. Once detected, select your device and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. For advanced features, connect it to a Hue Bridge and enjoy smart control, customized scenes, and voice assistant compatibility. Smart features? Enjoy flexible lighting anywhere with a rechargeable design, multiple colors, adjustable brightness, and custom scenes through the app. Connect with smart assistants and Hue Bridge to control lighting remotely, create routines, and automate your setup. Specifications: FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Philips Go accent lamp. See you in the next one.